Hello students, welcome to the next video of trigonometry. In previous video we had seen the compound angle, then based on compound angle we had seen the result 1 and result 2. Today we are going to see some examples based on compound angle and on the both the results. So example 1 is, if A and B are two obtuse angles and sin A is equal to 5 upon 13 and cos B is equal to minus 4 upon 5, then find sin A plus B. Okay, here it is not mentioned angle A and B are in which quadrant. Okay, sin A is given as 5 upon 13 and cos B is given as minus 4 upon 5. Now to find sin A plus B, we know the formula of sin A plus B. Sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So for that, sin A we know, right, and cos B we know. So from sin A we have to find cos A value. Okay, now as we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, right? Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Therefore cos square A will be 1 minus sin square A, right? Now 1 minus sin square A. Sin A is 5 upon 13. So 5 upon 13 whole square. So that means 1 minus 25 upon 169. By cross multiplication we get 169 minus 25 upon 165. So cos square A is equal to 145 upon 169. Therefore cos A is equal to plus minus is very important, plus minus 12 upon 13, right? Now whether it is plus 12 upon 13 or minus 12 upon 13. Now see here, A and B are both are obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means both are greater than 90 degree, right? Both are greater than 90 degree means greater than 90 and less than 120. So 90 degree, less than 180 degree. 90 degree less than A less than 180 degree. So that means angle is in second quadrant, right? In second quadrant, cos is positive or negative? So cos is negative, right? So therefore cos A is equal to minus 12 upon 13. Very important. See once again, sin A is given. Sin A is 5 upon 13. So what we have to find? We have to find cos A. To find cos A, since cos square A is 1 minus sin square A. So cos square A is 144 upon 169. So that means cos A is plus minus 12 upon 13. Now since A is in second quadrant cos is negative. Therefore cos A is equal to minus 12 upon 13. Okay. Now after this, next what is given? Cos B is given, right? So similarly cos B is given. So we have to find sin B. So sin square B is equal to 1 minus cos square B. So 1 minus 4 upon 5 whole square. Okay. So 1 minus 16 upon 25 means 25 minus 16 upon 25. So that means 9 upon 25. So sin B is plus minus 3 upon 5. Now B is also obtuse angle. So that means B is also greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, right? So B also lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive and therefore sin B is equal to 3 upon 5, positive value. We can take only positive value. So sin B is 3 upon 5. Okay. Now after getting sin A, sin B, then cos A, cos B value, we have to write the formula of sin A plus B. So sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Okay. Then do the multiplication. So after multiplication, we get sin A plus B as minus 56 upon 65. Okay. So sin A plus B is minus 56 upon 65. Okay. So understood? Simple sum. Sin A is given, sin A value is given, cos B value is given. Okay. And what we have to find? We have to find sin A plus B. For that we need cos A and sin B value, which we can find by using sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 formula. Okay. After finding all the 4 values, then what we have to do? We have to use the sin A plus B formula. In that we have to substitute the values and do the calculation. Okay. See the next sum. Second example is, if sin alpha is equal to minus 5 upon 13 and cos beta equal to minus 7 upon 25, and alpha and beta lies in the third quadrant. Okay, it is given alpha and beta both lies in third quadrant. Then find sin alpha minus beta. So same procedure. What is given? Sin alpha is given. So we have to find cos alpha. So cos square alpha is 1 minus sin square alpha. Right? So 1 minus 5 upon 13. So 1 minus 25 upon 169. So that is equal to again 144 upon 169. So cos alpha is equal to plus minus 12 upon 13. Now plus minus 12 upon 13. But alpha and beta both angle lies in third quadrant. So in third quadrant cos is negative. Right? So therefore cos alpha is equal to minus 12 upon 13. Okay. Now cos beta is given as minus 7 upon 25. Right. So what we have to find? We have to find sin beta. So sin beta will be 1 minus cos square beta. Right. So 1 minus 7 upon 25. So sin beta is equal to plus minus 24 upon 25. Okay. Now beta is also lies in third quadrant. So in third quadrant sin is negative. So minus 24 upon 25. Okay. Then use sin alpha minus beta formula, which is sin alpha into cos beta minus cos alpha into sin beta. Then substitute the values for sin alpha, cos beta, cos alpha, sin beta, and do the calculation. Then we will get minus 253 upon 325. Okay. So similar type of sum. Here what is given? Sin alpha is given and cos beta is given. What we have to find? We have to find cos alpha and sin beta. After finding cos alpha and sin beta, next we have to apply the sin alpha minus beta formula. After applying sin alpha minus beta formula, we have to substitute the values and do the calculation. Okay. Now here is an example for practice. Question is, if sin A is 5 upon 13 and cos B is minus 4 upon 5 and angle A and B both are lies in the second quadrant, then find cos A plus B. Okay, so answer is 33 upon 65. Just you have to find cos A plus B by using same method, by applying the same method. Means sin A is given, so first you have to find cos A, right? Sin A is given, so find cos A. Then cos B is given, so find sin B. Okay, then cos A plus B formula, write down the cos A plus B formula, and then substitute sin A cos B, cos A sin B values, and do the calculation. You will get answer as 33 upon 65. Okay, so with this I am finding this video. In next video we can see the next part of trigonometry. So thank you students.